afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, May 22nd, here at KIT Iizuka. And as I'm waiting for the iPad to connect to the computer, I want to draw your attention to a few things that we're going to need to do in the next couple of weeks. And one of the most important things is actually going to be your, come on, good. Okay, sorry that took so long. Today is May 22nd, but in 2 weeks, okay, so next week is the 29th, and June 5th, right here, okay, that's your midterm test, okay, and you can get a pretty good description of the midterm test right here if you click on that. The midterm, or sorry, no, the description will only be here on the front page, okay, on the conversation test area. And I'll talk about this a bit more, okay, from here. But one of the things that we do to prepare for that this week is we will be doing that conversation test in groups of 4. Now, what you will be doing is choosing one partner, one more person, a partner, okay? So you will be a pair. I take everyone's pairs. So here's one pair, 2 people, and at random, I'll choose this pair. I'll put them together. That will be a group of 4. And that group of 4 people will have a conversation in front of me, okay, on 2 topics. One topic will be 3 minutes long. Okay? And each of the topics that you'll be doing for your test are listed here. Okay, so we can look at them fairly big. Very basic topics, nothing difficult. I don't need you to be able to talk about difficult topics like JavaScript programming or Russia versus Ukraine, not important. These are just basic topics like talking about your family, talking about sports, shopping, music, food, friends. These are the topics you would talk about if you made a new friend. It's daily conversation, nothing too important. But the same skills that you need for these topics, you need for any topic in English. What are the skills? Looking your partner in the eyes, having a strong voice, making sure that you speak quickly, you speak smoothly, that you try to explain your ideas, and you keep talking, not just 5 words, not just 10 words, but 3 minutes, 6 minutes at a time. But basically, you'll have 2 3-minute conversations. The first conversation you can choose from any of these topics, okay? As long as it's one of those topics, you 4 say, yeah, let's do sports. We all play baseball. Let's talk about sports. No problem. The second topic, okay, after the first conversation, I choose. And I will tell you what the second topic is only after the first conversation is finished, okay? I'll explain this again because I noticed that lately we don't have many people. Actually, how many people do we have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27 people. I'm supposed to have 36 people for this class. Now, I'm not sure if everyone is coming, but if you don't get a partner, if you don't have a partner, okay, before the test, I don't know if you'll be able to take the test. So if you know any friends who are in this class and they're not coming to this class, tell them, come next week. If you have to come and do this partner name and student submission today, next week will be your last chance. So if you have any friends that are not here today, please tell them, come next week. You have to choose your partner name and student number, okay? Now, I know that that's a little bit complicated. I'll explain this all again in Japanese, but that's what we have to do today. After we finish that, then we'll take a look, we'll take a look at Quizlet as a little bit of a warm-up and start working on more practices to help you speak more in conversation. You have one assignment this week, okay? Here's a video that I want you to watch. Write up your reflections on it, put it on a piece of paper, take a picture, send it up to Moodle. Okay. If you have any questions about any of this, remember, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come and talk to me after class. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.